Welcome back, students. Let us discuss shortly about whatever we have studied today in the lesson Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. Dear students, we have discussed the four different methods of separation of mixtures. Mixtures are the substances or the things when mixed with each other, the different kinds of items coming together are called as the mixtures. The four different methods are method of distillation, method of centrifugation, method of separation using separating funnel and method of chromatography. Let us now first discuss the method of distillation. The method of distillation includes the two properties evaporation and the condensation of the substance which is present in the round bottom flask. Due to the evaporation, when heat is provided to it, the water gets evaporated. As the cork is closed at the higher level of the round bottom flask and it has a pathway from the tube which is covered with water. By the method of condensation, the water which is evaporated gets again converted into the liquid water and finally we obtain the pure liquid water. In this case, the pure liquid water is obtained in the conical flask. Whatever remains in the round bottom flask will be the substance added in the beginning in the mixture. For example, if salt is added into water, salt is mixed with water, salt will remain in the round bottom flask since salt does not evaporate and does not condense. Therefore, water will evaporate and water will condense and finally it will get collected into the conical flask and whatever remains into the round bottom flask will be the salt. The second method is method of separation using separating funnel. This funnel is used for separation of immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids are the liquids which mixed with each other do not get completely mixed and finally when they are relaxed, when they are kept for rest for some time, the liquids are seen separated with each other. Oil and water does not get mixed with each other. They are immiscible liquids. With the help of separating funnel, the two layers, that is the layer of oil and the layer of water, is seen to be separated into it. Once the stopcock is open, the liquid which is present to the lower part of the separating funnel starts getting flowing downwards, which will be collected into the beaker. When one of the liquid gets collected into the beaker, just close the cork and finally you obtain two different liquids separated from each other. The heavier liquid which was present earlier into the separating funnel will be collected into the beaker and the lighter liquid will remain into the separating funnel. Now let's discuss about method of centrifugation. The method of centrifugation requires a centrifugating machine which when rotated, when the test tubes are fitted into the machine, the heavier substance which is present into the test tube like sand, dust particle or chalk powder into the liquid like water, it gets settled down faster. This helps for the separation of mixtures faster and easily. With the help of force and speed applied on the centrifugating machine, the particles present into the mixture gets settled down and finally we obtain two different layers of the mixture. And the last method we have studied today is the method of chromatography. We have studied the method of paper chromatography. The paper which is used for this purpose is either filter paper or you can use a tissue paper also. A chalk can be also used for the method of chromatography. In this method, a spot of ink is put on the tissue paper or a filter paper. The layer of the water is just below the spot of the ink on a tissue paper or a filter paper. When water is absorbed by the filter paper, the ink drop on the filter paper starts getting soluble. As the ink contains different types of substances into it, whichever substance from the drop of the ink is more soluble will raise upwards in the direction of the filter paper faster, and whichever is less soluble will remain at a certain height. With this method, we obtain the different colors, that is, the different substances get separated from a single drop of a ink. Thank you.